guys, my name's Georgia and I'm here at Shoes of Hollywood today. I'm doing a shoe review for you all. So here I've got the Pleaser brand and this is in the style FLAMINGO-822 in the fuchsia colour, and I cannot wait to show you guys this pair. Now I'll open up the box, and when you first look inside it comes with the dust and travel bag. So this is just to make sure they stay safe and everything like that. Now each shoe is individually wrapped in a dust bag, and wait till you guys see this one. Wow. So this is the fuchsia pink, the 8-inch heel. Now I'll put this one here while I'm unwrapping them. So this one's also in a dust bag, and they also just have this little piece of paper in here to protect the shoe during travel and shipping and all that sort of stuff. So this is the fuchsia pink colour in this style, and so it's got the 8-inch and this is the frosted fuchsia platform. So as you can see, it's like a gradient pink there, and then the fuchsia pink here. And so I'm just going to put the shoe straight on. So like all the other Pleaser brand shoes, it's got the cushioning on the bottom. Now I haven't walked in 8-inch heels before, so I'm really nervous right now, but we'll give it a go. Make sure you comment below and wish me luck. So I'm going to put it on a tight buckle just so that it's really secure. And the good thing about these shoes is because they're so tall, the strapping on the foot, it makes it feel a bit more secure when you're walking. Now just put them on. And this shoe here is a leather look, but although it is a leather look, it's not actual leather, so these ones are vegan friendly. Oh. Okay, now that they're on, I'll give you guys a look at these heels. They are incredible, so tall, and I am a little bit nervous right now about to walk in them. So I'll get up now so you can have a look. And they are super tall. Okay, so I'm going to have my first walk in the 8-inch heels. So here we go. They feel surprisingly comfortable considering how tall I am right now. I think it's the cushioning on the bottom. They make it feel really sturdy, and the strapping over the top of my foot makes me feel really secure in the shoe. I'll give you a close-up of the shoes right now so you can really see how that fuchsia pink is popping against the black stockings. It looks beautiful. And that platform is super tall, and you can really see how it fades, that gradient, the frosted platform in the heel. So beautiful. So I'm going to go sit down now so you can have a better look at them. Wow, you can really see how much that pink is so vibrant and beautiful. There we go. Now I know how much you guys all love looking at the shoes outside, so we'll go out now so you can have a better look at them in the sunlight. Now make sure you subscribe to the Shoes of Hollywood YouTube channel so you can see more reviews like this and see the whole range that we have on offer here. So we'll go outside now. I'll give you a look just before we go out at how beautiful and tall these shoes are. So as you can just see in the natural daylight here, these shoes are incredible. Now I'll walk out to the sunlight now so you can see how bright this pink truly is. That fuchsia colour is just beautiful. So gorgeous. The shoes are actually really secure to walk in. It must be the gripping on the bottom is super good, so you really feel sturdy in these shoes despite how tall they really are. So I'll give you guys a quick twirl of how these look. In the sunlight you can really see how that frosted pink really looks and how it's gradient. Really gorgeous. And that colour is super vibrant in the sun. I love it. I'll do another quick twirl for you guys. Okay, I'll do a couple turns for you guys now so you can see what the shoes look like. I just love this pair. Okay, we'll start to head back in now because it's super hot out here today. Okay, I'll give you guys one final look in the sun of what these ones look like. So gorgeous. Okay, now we'll start to head back in now. And this is these ones again for the last time outside. Do the 12 for you guys. Okay, let's head back in now. Okay, so just one final walk for you guys in these 8-inch heels. Now I'll give one final close-up so you guys can see what they look like. You can really see the platform on those heels. So beautiful. Now I'll go to sit down and I'll give you guys my final thoughts on these ones. Okay, now while I'm taking them off I'll talk to you guys a bit about them. So these shoes, again, they are the leather look but vegan friendly, so it's all good. And the straps on the front of the foot really keep your foot in place and so make it a little bit less daunting, the fact that they are so tall. And the fuchsia pink really does pop and it's gorgeous, such a gorgeous colour. And then again we have the cushioning here, so it really supports your foot and makes it super comfortable to wear. And then we had the platform here, the gripping on the bottom, and that's the shoe. Super comfortable. It can be a bit scary, but you can do it if I can do it. So there we have it, the fuchsia pink shoes, the 8-inch heels. So thank you so much for watching today. Make sure you like and subscribe to this channel and like this video. Make sure to click the notification bell in the top corner so you can be notified every time we upload a new video. And thank you so much for watching today.